Welcome back to Stuff About tutorial. Today we are talking about how to use WhatsApp in dark mode. Why would you want to know how to use WhatsApp in dark mode? Well, maybe it is your first time using WhatsApp and not sure how to use WhatsApp in dark mode. So today I am going to show you how to use WhatsApp in dark mode. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Using WhatsApp in dark mode is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is very simple. Using WhatsApp in dark mode is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is very simple. First of all, open WhatsApp. Now you are seeing light mode. Few people like dark mode. Now you are seeing different buttons at the top right corner. Click on it. Now click on settings. From here, you are seeing different buttons. Click on chats. Now click on themes at the top. Click on dark and press OK. There you go. If you wanted to know how to use WhatsApp in dark mode, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way if you know another way to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.